I'm going to start this survey with an NPS question. Pick the Net Promoter Score option from the left-hand menu. I'm going to set it to be required and click Save. Our first question is now created. Now, I want to follow this up with an open text question, so the respondents can provide a comment on their answer. Pick the text box in the left-hand menu. I'm also going to change this into a text area and set the size to be normal. Click Save. If you want to preview your question, you can easily do it with the preview icon in the top right corner. Now, as a third page in our survey, I'm going to ask some questions regarding the respondent's background. So I'm typing in background information, clicking Save, and then starting off with a radio button. In this radio button, I'm going to ask them about their gender. Enter the options. I'm also going to set it to be required and click Save. The last question I'm going to add is from the import function. I want to ask them about their country of origin. From the Netigate library, pick market research and then residence. Clicking Add. The drop-down menu with the list of countries is now added. I'm going to set it to required, scroll down and click Save. All my questions are now created, so all that's left for us is to continue on to distribution to send out our survey.